2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, front, home link garage door opener, power steering, floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.